Today we're going to make fig scones from scratch, and this is really good for coffee or tea. Hi, good morning everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make fig scones. I am going to use dehydrated frozen figs that I saved from last year, and I'm going to slice them into small pieces. So now we have 5 cups of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of kosher salt, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 7 tablespoons of sugar, 4 eggs, 1 stick and 3 tablespoons of butter. I cut them in cubes so it will be easier for me later on. 1.5 cups of dried figs, and 1.5 cups of whipping cream. And let's start. We are going to mix dried ingredients first. So I'm going to put the salt, baking powder, and sugar. I will mix them. Mix them really well, and we're going to add our butter. And we're going to use pastry blender to blend the butter and the flour. Now we're going to combine heavy cream and the 4 eggs. Now after we mix the cream and the eggs, we're going to add the figs. So we added the figs into the cream mixture. Mix them really well. And then we're going to add the wheat ingredients into the dry. Once you added your wet ingredients into the dry, you just mix them slowly, but not overmix. That's the texture you're looking for. You don't want to overmix them. I just dumped the mixture into the flour surface, and we're going to start to work. Now I divided the mixture into 4. Fold and press the dough gently for a few times, like 10 times, and that's it. So I shape them in round shape, and I'm going to divide them into 8 triangles using my pastry knife. Okay, so that's 4 triangles. Now each triangle we're going to cut into 2. So here you go, 2, 4, 6, 8. So I have 8 triangles. Now I just transfer them in the pan, and I'm going to brush them on the top with heavy whipping cream and sprinkle them with brown sugar. So here you go. going to sprinkle them with sugar granules. I preheated my oven for 400 and we're going to bake them for 12 to 14 minutes. Here's the rest of the scones. Here you go, fresh baked scones. Good for tea and coffee.